Ja, het is een super dik project.
Ja, insane. Staat nergens op.
It looks like Batman's ride on his day off. At this time, we have a super special project that we are going to be following. It is a Lamborghini Urus that will be having one of the famous branded wide-body kits added to it. It will also be having performance upgrades along with loads of other goodies. The customer came by and said that he wanted something special putting on the car. So we discussed the options with him of what was available and he decided for himself that he would like to go with the Mansory wide-body kit.
Ja, voor ons als sales team is het belangrijk om naast dat je het pakket verkoopt, dat je ook goed contact houdt met de klant. Er zijn zoveel dingen die aangepast kunnen worden. En dit is ook wel steeds meer waar we naartoe gaan. Echt die totaalprojecten. Set velgen, uitlaat, engine tuning, bodykit, interieuraanpassingen, gewoon totaalpakket.
Het zijn niet de kleine projecten waar bijvoorbeeld één afdeling aan te pas komt. Dit is werk voor x-spel, werk voor werkplaats, werk voor detailing, eigenlijk werk voor iedereen. Dit is wel echt een extreem project.
Mansory had quite a bad reputation for the quality of fitment of parts that they were producing, and in actual fact we were quite surprised about the fitment of this, and I think they've been working on it over the last couple of years to improve, as it only took some minor trimming and refitting of parts to get them to fit properly. Now you might notice that the bumper is in satin black and the rest of the car is gloss black. This is because we're going to be respraying the entire car in this color.
De Lamborghini Urus is net terug uit de spuiterij. Deze ziet er echt prachtig uit in deze kleur. We gaan de auto nu terug monteren. Het complete interieur moet teruggebouwd worden. Alle bumpers en de rest van het carbon van het Mansory pakket. De originele beugels bij de uitlaat die passen niet op de auto. Deze hebben wij zelf moeten maken. We hebben stukjes metaal moeten slijpen, gaten moeten boren en moeten lassen. En daardoor past de uitlaat zoals het moet.
Wij van x-spel hebben de complete auto voorzien van PPF-folie. Zowel de Ultimate, de glansfolie, als de Stealth matfolie. Dat zie je goed op de motorkap. Daardoor heb je een veel mooier contrast tussen het matte gedeelte en het glansgedeelte op het carbon. Alles is uit bulk gedaan, dus alles hebben we zelf moeten snijden. Op het dak na. Het dak is het patroon en verder niets. Want niets is origineel in de auto. Ook de deuren zijn bijvoorbeeld wel origineel. Maar goed, onderop de deur is natuurlijk ook een gedeelte bodykit. Je kan het wel gebruiken, maar je moet het alsnog zelf op maat snijden.
The wheels that the customer decided to go for on this car are CV7 Air 24-inch custom forged wheels. The wheel itself is a 7-spoke forged wheel with an additional carbon plate on the face. They have also taken inspiration from Rolls-Royce with the free-flowing center cap so that Mansory is always the right way up. We have also done several performance upgrades, including Garrett TTE 1020 turbos, CSF Intercoolers, 200-cell Sport Cat downpipes, and then a cat back system provided by Mansory. The original power of a Lamborghini Urus is 641 horsepower, and we'd set a target with the new upgrades that we'd added to the car of achieving 950 horsepower. We managed to achieve the power output that we were aiming for, and we checked this by testing it on a dyno and doing road testing with the vehicle. 950 horsepower is a safe limit to push this engine to, whilst maintaining the reliability of the engine and making it a comfortable daily driver for the customer. And with this power, we were actually able to achieve the 3rd fastest recorded time on Draggy for a Lamborghini Urus. Now that the car is finished, we are going to take it on a night shoot, and we are going to be inviting a couple of the team members to give us their opinions on the final result.
Ja, het is een super dik project. Iedereen heeft natuurlijk zijn steentje bijgedragen, dat is ook gewoon heel gaaf. Ik denk dat bijna heel het bedrijf er wel aan mee heeft gewerkt.
Ja, insane. Staat nergens op. De looks zijn heel agressief, maar met die turbo upgrade, als je erin zit en je geeft gas, niet normaal.
I really like the final result of this car. It has like a stealthy Knight Rider feel. And I've seen pictures that we've taken of the car, and in these pictures, it looks like Batman's ride on his day off. The Mansory Urus is officially finished, and we thought we'd bring along some of the team to experience the end result. Now, everybody here had a part in this project, so we brought along Mitchell, Ryan, and Puck, and they are going to be telling us exactly what they think about this kit, and they're actually going to be rating it from 1 to 10. So guys, I want you to give this a rating from 1 to 10 all together, and then in your own words afterwards, tell me exactly what you think about this car. 9, nice, 7, oh, come on man, 7.
Sorry,
Why
mate.
a 7?
I'm more into the saddle body kits, like Urban or Novitec.
Not a 10 because, yeah, for me it's a little bit over the top. A little bit over the top, so that's why it scores a 9.
Mitchell?
I agree with the guys.
Too aggressive.
Too aggressive. Looks sick. I can appreciate the beauty as well, but a bit too aggressive for me.
It's fair enough. Now it's time to move on to the wheels. These are possibly the most expensive wheels we have ever fitted, so I want you guys to rate them and then give me your opinions on them.
Gonna be a 7.
7. What are you on, Puck? 9. 9. My
Yes.
man. Okay, Mitchell, why a 7?
I like the car, man. I just don't like the spokes. Not as much as I'm used to.
Yes, I've gone for a 9 with the wheels.
9.
I do like the design.
Yep.
This is something you see much more. We also did a Urban XRS. It also has kind of the same design. Really like it. The carbon is good, so yeah, a 9.
Cool, good scores all round. Time to move on to the sound of this car. Now if Bailey would jump in and give it a few revs, then I want you to score it from 1 to 10, and then afterwards tell me exactly what you think about it. Okay, all together from 1 to 10. Shoot. 10. Mitchell, come on man. 10.
10, mate.
Nice. 10's all round. Cool.
You want to know why?
Yeah.
Yeah, mate. The blood comes out of my ears.
Next up is the thing we've all been waiting for. It is the flybys. So if you guys want to make your way over to the side of the road, we will send this Urus flying.
Oh, fuck off.
That was like a 3. Shit, he's not going fast enough.
You want a 3?
1.
Yeah, it was in pussy mode.
Sounds good on the downshift.
I think you have to do maybe launch control.
I agree.
This was a good one.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's not our car, so we can't go crazy with it, but
No.
it just,
He holds back
if the
a bit,
owner was
but
here, it would be perfect, because then he could give it some beans.
I really like it. It's good. It's really good.
Yeah.
Quite nice.
Hey!
I don't.
And finally, for the complete project, now this is for everything on the car, the kit, the PPF, the wheels, the engine tuning, the turbos, and the whole process. Everyone was involved in it, so I want you to rate it from 1 to 10.
Gonna be an 8.
Should be a steady 8.
Nice, nice.
I like the moment when they came back from the paint shop. Completely different car and looked fucking good.
It was a big build. We did it all
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
We had several
Yeah.
talks about it as a team. learned a lot, but after all I think we can deliver a great project.
Yeah.
So
personally, I love the Mansory kit. It's aggressive. This one is especially fast. This actually got the 3rd fastest time in the world on draggy. So this, in my book, gets a 10 in every area, but it's not to everyone's taste. But personally, I love it.